Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be reviewing some of the letters that you learned earlier in the week. This is the letter A. This is an apple. The letter A says the sound ah. When we see this card, we can say a apple ah. Who remembers what letter this is? This is the letter G. This is a picture of a game. The letter G makes the sound G. When we see this card, we can say G, game, G. This is the letter D. This is a picture of a dog. The letter D makes the sound D. D, dog, D. This is the letter S. This is a picture of a snake. The letter S makes the sound S. So when you see this card, you can say S, snake, S. Let's try again. I am going to say the letter, the keyword, and the sound, and you are going to repeat. All right, ready? A apple, ah. G, game, g. D, dog, d. S, snake, s. This is the letter D. We are going to practice writing the letter D on our whiteboards. D is a skyline letter. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Swing up and around to the plane line. D, dog, D. Try another D. Letter S. S is a plane line letter. Point to the plane line. Curve down and around. And swing right back down to the grass line. S, snake,